Hi, it's Chris from Cricut. I'm going to show you how to look for ready-to-make projects and images that you can make on your Cricut Joy. I'll be working in the Design Space desktop app, and we'll start in the upper right-hand corner of the screen by making sure we have the correct machine selection. Next, I'll scroll down the home screen of Design Space to show you how we organize our ready-to-make projects. Make sure you know that on the right-hand side, you can click on the arrow to access more content. We'll go back up to the top of the screen and click on New Project in the upper right-hand corner to show you another way to browse projects. On the left-hand toolbar, I'm going to click Projects, and here's another look at our ready-to-make work. Let's click into one and see what it looks like. There's a difficulty level, how much time it's going to take to make, what materials you'll need, and step-by-step instruction, including assembly and links to our help site. Now I'm going to show you how to look for images. Go back over to the toolbar on the left-hand side, click Images, and you can start to see how we filter almost 140,000 images in Design Space. You can filter by type, by art type, including draw if you want to do something like a kid's coloring page. Image complexity and layers are great ways to look for images. And let's talk about ownership for a minute. Uploaded images refer to images that you've uploaded from the internet. Purchase images would be images you bought from Design Space. Free images may have come on a promotion or with the purchase of your machine, and downloaded images would be images that you've downloaded from the Design Space app for use later offline. I'll go back up to the top, and to get back to the main image screen, you click Category. And another thing I want to point out on this side, we used to call image sets cartridges, but now we've renamed that. It's the same content, groups of themed images, but it's now called image sets. And we'll go back and do one more thing, which is you can always search for content in Design Space in the search bar. And to get back to the home screen of Design Space, click in the left top corner on Home.